Today we're going to find out how to find the volume of a sphere and the curved surface area of a sphere. So in our first question here, we want to find the volume of a sphere with a radius of 4 centimetres to 1 decimal place. So if we look at our log tables on page 10, we see that we have a formula for volume for a sphere. And the formula is 4/3 pi r cubed. So we write that down. Do we have anything that we can sub into this formula? Well, we know that the radius for this particular sphere here, they tell us it's 4 centimetres. So my formula becomes 4/3 pi and it's 4 cubed. If I put all of this into the calculator and I can use my fraction button for the 4/3, I get my volume to be 268.082. I'm asked to give my answer to 1 decimal place, so I round this answer to 1 decimal place. So I look at my 8, which means I round up, and that's going to be 268.1 centimetres cubed. So that's the first question today. My second part of the question is to find the curved surface area of a sphere to 1 decimal place. This time the radius is 6 centimetres. So they're telling us the radius for this particular sphere is 6 centimetres and we want to find the curved surface area. So again, if I go to my log tables, page 10, I notice there's a formula for area. And obviously if it's area, all the area of a circle has to be curved. And it's 4 pi r squared, so I write that down. So my formula for the curved surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. Do I have anything that I can fill into this? Well, I know my radius, they've told me, is 6 centimetres. So I sub in for the radius, so that's going to be 6 squared. 6 squared is 36, and I'm going to multiply that by 4. So I'm going to have 144 pi. Put the pi button in on my calculator, in and multiplied by 144, and I get 452.38. I'm asked to give my answer to 1 decimal place, so I look at my 8 and I'm going to round up. So my answer for the curved surface area, or the area of my sphere, to 1 decimal place is 452.4 centimetres squared.